Main Street makes it very easy. They're a one-stop shop. They've got a huge amount of capital at my disposal if I wanted to do an acquisition like that, which is very helpful. I don't have to go out to a bank. I don't have to go through all the process of trying to, meet covenants with an external party. That's not in tune with the business.
We had the flexibility of having a partner that was not only a partner in business. They were the bank, they were the credit line.
Main Street and all my partner back in 2008. That was done through a minority recapitalization, and they were minority investors to start. I believe it was their flexibility, and I believe they felt that they were able to stay in control of the company without Main Street taking over and trying to manage the company for them to allow them to have day-to-day operational control.
Having it be a minority transaction was unique and a bit rare. Most of the other, business owners I know have a majority type equity situation, whereas they go with the minority. I think the public company is pretty rare as well. To be able to just tell customers, hey, we're associated with a multi-billion-dollar publicly traded company. Generally, it's kind of an icebreaker.
Most of your private equities are going to want a 3-year, 5-year quick flip, right? Or some large rates of return and strip the business of its, fundamental principles and just more for profit. It's rare that they're, willing to take that minority investment piece. So still let me be in control of all the day-to-day operations and be a good support leg and be behind us in the mission that we have in our business, rather than trying to come in and be the control of the business.
They were very, very consistent in what they said they would do and how they would support us. They weren't there to take the keys away. They want you to operate your company, understand your market, and grow your business.
We did want to retain control because we're very excited about the future of the company. The minority component fit perfectly well with our plans. We're not looking to sell the company and to give it a quick turn as, again, typical private equity. So I expect to be in the business for at least the next 10 years. And with that in mind, I do think a partner like Main Street is the right fit.